Broadcast Jamaican now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan people, this is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, let me give the headline them. One time Prime Minister Bruce Golding said the facts of Jamaica a turn one republic already no look good. The Ministry for Education said more school are go open for face-to-face class. Barbados turn one republic after they move the Queen as them head of state. Some people in the Netherlands said the new COVID-19 variant Omicron did dead in the country early this year before them find it in South Africa. Make sure you follow our YouTube page Broadcast Jamaican for hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the full tour of them. One time Prime Minister Bruce Golding said the facts of Jamaica not turn one republic already no look good. Him did attack yesterday after Barbados turn one republic and cut all link with the Queen as them head. Dame Sandra Mason get swearing in as Barbados head of state and this cut off the 394 years where the British did at them head of government. But Golding say over 30 years Jamaica want turn one republic, but the government them not take no step for make this happen. The Ministry for Education say more school are go open for face-to-face class. On November 8, 376 primary school li open back for face-to-face class keep, and grade 11 to grade 13 could have go in a small group for the lab and practical for them CXC and CAPE exam. But Fayval Williams, who the Minister for Education, said 383 bigger primary school are go open, but them are go use the blended approach. This is when them use face-to-face and online class. High school will have 65% or more of them picnic fully vaccinated can open back. The police said them find one gun with no license and lock up 3 thieves in a Portmore St. Catherine Monday night. According to the police report, little after 8 p.m. some officer did the pan patrol and see 3 men in a one car act one way. The police said them searched the car and them find one Glock pistol with a 19 bullet. The police said them looking at things some more and them find out said the man them who did in the car, they just hold up and rob 2 people with a gun pan Municipal Boulevard. The 3 of them get locked up, 1 of them and one underage boy. Police put out one high alert for 8 years old Malik McLeod who come from Runaway Bay in St. Anne. Malik missed from Sunday, November 28th. Him dark and fat and 4 foot long. According to the report from the St. Anne Bay Police, people lost Malik in a Runaway Bay town centre. Them no know why him did have on and nobody no see or hear from him after that. The Runaway Bay Police ask anybody who know which part Malik McLeod there for call them pan 876-973-7057 119 or the nearest police station. News from the rest of the Caribbean. Barbados turn one republic after they move the Queen as them head of state. This is Barbados' 55th year of independence. Dame Sandra Mason turned the first president for Barbados after she get most of the vote in a parliament. Barbados are the first Caribbean country to get rid of the Queen as them head of states since in the 1970s when Guyana, Dominica and Trinidad and Tobago did turn republic. On top of that, Robin Rihanna Fenty turned one national hero for Barbados. News from foreign. Some people in the Netherlands said the new COVID-19 variant Omicron did dead in the country earlier this year before them find it in South Africa. Netherlands said them find Omicron in a 2 test sample between November 19 and 23. South Africa did tell the world about the variant on November 24. On top of that, Belgium and Germany said Omicron did dead in a them country before South Africa talked about it. Japan and France said them find new case of the variant in a them country too. Omicron spread to 20 countries already. Now for sports. Connie Francis, or the coach for the national netball team, says she will make some change to the team for the second test against the England Roses. The next match I will play at the Motorpoint Arena in Nottingham on December 4. England will lead the 3-match series after them beat the Sunshine Girls 55-45 in the first match. Francis said players know them can level the series and them a watch back the tape from the first match for see what them go wrong. People, remember the curfew from 9 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.